Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at the Elikliv. This is a laser tape measure and I really love this. It gives you a very good sense of making sure that what you did for a measurement manually is also what shows up on using a laser measurement. So I like it for double checking those things, and it has a ton of other functions and features to it. The biggest thing right now that I love too is that it's rechargeable. So you plug it in with a USB. You have a rechargeable battery. It lasts a really long time. It's nice and compact, which is really nice. And it also comes with, it's not just a laser level or laser measuring tape. It also comes with a 16-foot or 5-meter manual as well. And then you can just, and it does a nice job of when you pull it out, it locks in place. Some of them don't do that really well, and I don't like that. But if you wanted to measure your windows, you could do a couple different things with it once. You could just, if you wanted to, you could just use the manual measurement and go, that's about 46 inches. So, or with this, it has multiple options for you to measure. So if you go and look at the screen, I'm going to do it in inches, but you can do inches, feet, and meters. And you can see the front right there. So that's displaying from where the front laser is, the measurement from here to whatever the laser hits. But we don't want to do that. We want to measure by putting it on the windowsill. So now it's going to measure from the back of this to where the laser hits. So if I did the same measurement right now, and I just put it there like that, and I hit read, it'll read the measurement, and it'll say 46.1 inches. So it's really quick and easy to measure things like that. You can see also that it has a blinking, if you wanted to do an area measurement, I had area measurement actually selected there. If you wanted to have that, you can do area or volume measurement with it. You could do a lot of different things with this, and you could do different measurements of all sorts with it, which is really kind of a nice feature. The biggest one I love, of course, is just this, right? If I want to measure from here, I'll do it this way so you guys can see it. I love that I can just hit it and say, oh, yep, 46 inches from where my base is all the way up to the top of the window. I don't have to crawl up there or do anything, so if it's something with height, you can do it really quick. And then if I wanted to see, what is the width of it, obviously you want to have everything out of the way of your laser.